today's first peak performer, a person who has a never give up attitude and determined and has got a beautiful smile on her face. She is basically a MSc graduate and presently a housemaker and managing the family. She is from the city of Dubai. Let's welcome Milt peak performer Rashmi Kashi Vishwanath.
Yay! Come on, let's celebrate. Come on, let's
Good evening,
celebrate.
everyone, all dignitaries, ladies and gentlemen present over here this evening. Peak Performer Workshop was a blessing in my life. Thanks and credit all goes to my dear Velu, our family man. The key lessons that I have learned from this Peak Performer Workshop is, I learned how I should be responding to tough people and tough situations rather than reacting to them. The second important lesson, what I can take back from this workshop is I should secure my own peace of mind and not put my key of happiness in others' pocket. But the most vital lesson that this workshop has given me is that how to be a contributor to the society. So with great conviction, deep gratitude, and as a proud Miltonian, I pledge to take this opportunity to encourage each and everyone whom I know to take up Milt so that they can experience the Milt effect in their own personal ways. Thank you so much.
Now we have a person who works towards excellence and has a go-getter attitude. He is basically a BTech civil engineer and presently working in Al Basti Mukta LLC. He is from the city of Dubai. Let's welcome Milt peak performer Archana Murya.
Good evening, dear friends. I feel so happy to be part of the Milt family. It is such an honor to be with a group of wonderful leaders for the past 1 month. Each session was a new message for me in life. It has to be taken forward henceforth with my life. I was a person who has less confidence in decision making, and I was always an introvert. But the course, the HR sessions, and the HR meetings have imparted a high level of confidence in me, as well as I've improved my interpersonal skills. I thank Mr. Daniel for his encouragement and his prompt directions throughout the course. This course was introduced to me by my husband, Mr. Sajid, who has also done the course. So I abide to live by the principles of Milt, and I hope we all will remain on top of the world as always. Thank you.
My next call goes to a person who has fought all odds and has excelled, is certain to achieve much greater feats. He is a chartered accountant by profession. He is from UAE. Let's welcome Milt peak performer, Gopur Raman Naidu.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Good evening. This program was introduced by Mr. Velu Arumugam to me. I had a great respect, regard for Mr. Velu. Whatever he said, I got a trust on it. I joined as such, and then initially I felt like it's going to be another management training or a leadership training event or session. It's going to be, but when it started, I could feel this completely a different aspect, especially this HR principles, which is going to be improving my interpersonal skills. It's going to be a Gopu, going to be a different one until October, maybe the October 2021, probably post this. I'm definitely going to be a much different person altogether. And this transformation definitely going to benefit whoever is around me and to this society, which is I'm part of it. And the greater thing about not only this management aspect of the interpersonal skills, spirituality, whatever the the understanding or my impression what I had before, which even added, like I don't belong to a particular religion, caste, or place or country. That transformation, which is going to be making me much more of a global citizen rather than particular geography I belong to. Just I want to add one small thing, which maybe made a very big impact on me is just this, there's a small story in the beginning of this training program about there is a necklace which is lying on the road. There's a person watching the other person doesn't pick it up until that person moves out. Once he goes out, he just takes out. But there's somebody is watching. Daniel mentioned to me that somebody is watching, that somebody is within us, and that makes me, whatever thing, wherever there's deviations I make from the principles, whatever it taught here, it puts me in the right direction. Thank you very much for such a wonderful opportunity. Thank you, everyone around.
Now, here comes lively and lovely person who has got vision to achieve great feat in life. She is MBA in finance, working with Orient Insurance Al Futtaim. She is from the land with architectural heritage city of Sharjah. Put your hands together to Milk Peak performer, Shireen Begum.
Hi, good evening, everyone.
Good
You guys are feeling on top of the world?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, me too. Yes. So, first of all, I would like to give a big thank you to Velu, who forced me to join this program because I was not aware of this, but I feel so blessed, so fortunate to have a good trainer like Mr. Daniel Jacob. Wow, what energy he has got. Really, he made all of us, he transformed all of us to become a good human being. And I have taken a resolution that I will be a good human being. I'll be following all the HR cards, and then I will do a bit whatever I can to this society. Thank you.
Now, I would like to call a young and dynamic person who has great clarity and certain to make anything a possibility. He is a student of Delhi Private School from the city of Burj Khalifa, Dubai. Let's welcome Milk Peak performer, Swarajit Balan.
Friends, MILT is not just a program like any other program in this world. There was something special in MILT. That is the reason why I was told to join this workshop by both Velu sir and my father. I remember on the first day, after looking at everyone else, I felt that I did not belong here. But right now, I stand as a man who has accomplished the Peak Performer Workshop. The HR principles completely changed my life as a whole. From a bunch of words, it became the definition of life. All the assignments given to us truly improvised my speaking standards. Listening to all the mesmerizing life stories of how people came to where they are today was just an unforgettable experience. Overall, I have no words to express my gratitude towards Daniel sir and his commitment towards our leadership. Thanks a lot to both Daniel sir and Velu sir for guiding me and creating a new chapter in my life. Honestly speaking, I had a fantastic time with all the members of PPW 16 batch and the rest of MILT family. Thank you.
Next, call goes to a highly determined person who say and achieves what he says. He is working with Canadian Gulf Construction. He is BTech in Civil. He is from the city of Dubai. Let's welcome MILT Peak performer, Santosh Varghese.
Good evening all Britonians. Thank you for listening to me. First of all, I thank you, Mr. Prabhu, for advising me to join this program. Again, thank you all our excellent team to listen my talks, and that's to improve my life and add value to my life. Special thanks to our big brother Daniel Jacob for conducting and motivating us and leading us in the right direction. And also thank you, Velu, for coordinating this program. Let us, our sincere and courageous and honest thoughts and actions improve power or empower to others to become great leaders. And also I pledge myself to live as per the rules what I have learned in the class, and I wanted to contribute as much as I can. And we have a mission to mold great leaders in coming future. Wish you all the success and happiness in the future. Thank you.
Now, I would like to call upon a silent and yet determined person who has tremendous energy to achieve what he wants. He is a finance and admin manager at United Africa Feeder Line UAE. He is postgraduate in statistics and accounts. Let's welcome, ladies and gentlemen, the male peak performer from the city of Dubai, Rajkumar Perumal.
Hi, good evening, Honorable all militarians.
Good evening.
Thanks for these opportunities. And as a participant, I am really proud and happy to be part of this great military programs. And thanks to Mr. Velu, who has convinced me and introduced me these programs. And also great thanks to Mr. Danny, who has the passion and the dedications, honor and empower to just run this show and teaching these great things, great program to each and everyone, which is gives really, we got a positive and energetic confidence in everyone's life. The program taught me the value of woman and life and our responsibility to the society. Definitely, we all got this. And the transforming what Mr. Danny said in the first session, that is true. When we come to the final session, we will feel that transforming, that really it is true. It is. Actually, I am good in work, but when it comes to public and speaks, so I used to get into the comfort self. But that one, I definitely say that Mr. Danny has broken that. He just give us that courage and confidence to just make out that. Really thanks to that great things to the Danny and each and everyone to the militarians. Thank you.